How to withdraw money from Dafabet to Neteller. Neteller is a digital wallet that allows users to send, receive, and store money online for payments, transfers, and trading. It's owned by Paysafe Group and commonly used in Forex, gaming transactions where fast and secure payments are needed. First, go to Dafabet website and log into your account with username and password. On the homepage, click Deposit in the top right corner of the screen. Now in this page you would see an option called Withdraw.
Simply click on that.
Now here you can see many options like local bank transfer, e-wallet, cryptocurrency, and prepaid card. Click on Local Bank Transfer to withdraw money through Neteller. Don't change anything on payment options. Select Product from Withdraw from option. Click on Enroll Bank Account and select Neteller from the list. And enter your Neteller details and sign in. Then enter amount and enter Dafabet password and click on Withdraw. That's it. Thanks for watching.